The right penalty for crime can be very subjective. Damages, it might be easy to work out. If I break something worth $25, I pay $25 or replace it with the same object or better one. But the punishment for a crime, it's not so easy. It's no longer apples versus apples. I'm going to give my opinion on a specific crime, and that's the one of being caught over the limit of alcohol while driving. And it goes without saying, I'm giving an opinion. I am definitely not giving legal advice. And to me, the essence of the crime is alcohol, not driving. If that person was driving without alcohol, there probably would not be a problem. But if that person had too much alcohol and not driving, there could be a problem, although not as serious as going behind the wheel. So in my opinion, the penalty should address the root of the problem. If someone is caught with above the legal limit, I don't believe in any restrictions on driving, but they should be banned from having alcohol ever again. And I'm not talking about being above the legal limit. They may not have any alcohol, not even a drop, not even thinking of touching it. And there can be random checks at any time, any place, and unexpected checks to make sure they do not have any alcohol. And if they're caught violating this rule, then they are in very serious trouble. In fact, the penalty for breaking this rule is so severe, they should not even think of touching alcohol. And if they mix with the wrong friends encourage them to drink, then they should look for new friends. That's the way I see it. In the end, it wasn't the car that caused the danger, it was the alcohol. The steering wheel did not make the decision. A bottle or a glass made the decision. As always, what are your thoughts? Thanks for watching.